Shiver me cheddars. Now, once and for all, we're gonna decide who's the boss in this town.
Hey, Sammy, what are you gonna do with my cactus?
Sue, stay out of it. It's a dispute between real cowboys. Ha ha ha.
Cut it out! Don't you dare break my cactus!
Then how do you suggest I beat him? Eat it up!
Actually, that's a really good idea.
What do you… Hey, wait up!
Hi guys! Today we're gonna make a cake from many cupcakes.
Sue, I officially promised to help you.
That's good to know. I'm counting on you.
It's just my job, you know. Help the townspeople and protect them from the enemies.
Thanks, Mr. Sheriff Slime. I appreciate it. But careful! With great power comes great responsibility.
And my helper for today… Oops, much better! My helper for today is a… mixer! Just a second. It's so heavy! Oh, thanks, Sue.
Sammy, don't try to fool me. I know you're strong enough. Now, watch me! Guys, you had better trust an adult with this kind of work. There we go.
Sue, do you want a surprise?
Sammy, we don't have time for your pranks. We have a lot of work to do. Let's leave it until the end?
Trust me and just look under my hat.
Okay, it's better to agree than to argue with Sammy. Well, what do we have? Wow, you guys, would you look at this?
How do you like it?
You're not just a real cowboy, but a great magician. But this time we need 2 eggs. And here it goes. Whoop, and the second one. Frankly speaking, Sammy, I would have never thought that you like Western movies.
It's all because of your cactus, Sue.
I don't get it. What do you mean? It's just a plant peacefully growing in a pot.
By the mozzarella, it's a famous treasure hunter, Mr. McCoy.
That guy that fell victim to the curse of thorns and turned into a walking cactus? By the way, guys, you'd better sift the flour to avoid any lumps. And let's add some baking powder to make the batter fluffy and airy. If you ask me, I don't think my old and nice cactus is Mr. McCoy.
As old as Mr. McCoy is? Interesting.
No, I won't let you engage me in that idea. What are we gonna do next?
How about a Wild West magic trick? Here we go!
But why so many bowls?
'Cause I want to make rainbow cupcakes. There you go.
You've mixed it up. We've already made a cake this way once.
Oh, guys, have you seen it?
If not, I strongly recommend you do that. That cake came out great.
Sue, how much longer? I've already prepared everything.
Don't rush, Sammy. We have enough time. Now we need to bake our cupcakes for 20 to 25 minutes.
Don't forget to preheat the oven, folks. Stay tuned if you want to see the results. Holy cannoli! Oh, what a smell! Terrific!
Oh no, Sammy, don't even think about it. I'll keep an eye on you.
Should I start making the frosting?
Don't rush. I was thinking it would be great to follow in your footsteps and add a little surprise inside. Some sprinkles won't do any harm, right?
You can't handle it without me. I mean, did you see how many of them we have?
Yeah, you're right. We're gonna have a really big cake. Don't you mind so much work, Sammy?
Exactly the opposite. I strongly approve of it. The bigger the cake, the better.
Phew, we did a great job, guys, but that's not all. Soon you'll see how our cupcakes turn into a cactus, and for this, we need a template.
Sue, what do you think would be better to use? This one? Or this one?
Sammy, you're always one step ahead. Let's do everything in the right order.
I know. To apply the frosting, we need to make it first. What do we need? Butter? Some condensed milk? Or maybe sour cream?
Today we are going to use something new. It's Chanty Pack.
What in the sweet world is that? I've never heard of it.
It's a non-dairy topping that turns into frosting if you just whip it up.
I'm not sure about white cactuses. Maybe we should add some green food coloring?
That's a great idea, Sammy. How do you always come up with these? And why didn't I think of it myself?
Guys, if you can't wait to see the result just like I do, give us a thumbs up! Sue, how could you do this? You didn't wait for me!
I've just started, Sammy. You're on time.
You know that decoration is my favorite part!
I know what will make you happy. You can try some frosting, but not much.
So tasty! It's so hard to stop!
Now we're ready to evenly spread the frosting. This way.
Sue, can I try a bit more? I've already forgotten the taste.
Sammy, sometimes you need to wait to get the best result. Now go. Trust me, it's totally worth waiting.
Let me help you then. I bet I can do it faster.
No. Stay away from the frosting. If you want to help, you can prepare a piping bag.
Sammy, do this. Sammy, do that.
While Sammy's away, we can wrap it up with this stage. Wait, what is that? Hey, let me go! Ugh, that rope! Sammy, all this time it was you pulling me away. Confess, you wanted to get some frosting, right?
It's just an accident, Sue. I didn't mean to interrupt.
Oh, Sammy and his crazy pranks. But let's continue.
Here you go, Sue. Everything's ready.
Thanks, Sammy. It's gonna be awesome. Guys, we're gonna give our wonderful cake more of a cactus relief.
It's coming out so great. I can't wait to see the results.
It won't be long now. We're on the finish line.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss cool new cake recipes.
Yes, Sammy's right. We love cakes and make them very often. And we're done.
Does it mean we can start eating?
Not so fast. I figured out something and I wanted to try it. Look, these sprinkles will help our cactus to look more realistic. Don't add too much, though. We just need a little bit for decoration. Now let's speed up a bit.
So we should use this for decoration as well. It's Mr. McCoy after all.
If I were you, Sammy, I wouldn't give that to anybody.
You're right. I better go hide it away.
Moreover, that plastic thing isn't edible. Would you look at this, guys? It's one of the most beautiful cakes in the world.
I have another idea, Sue. Guys, close your eyes. Sue, you too. Come on, trust me.
Okay.
Everything's ready. You can look now.
Wow, Sammy, we've got flowers on our cactus. So beautiful. But how did you know what they should look like?
It's simple, Sue. Considering the shape of our cake, it's saguaro, a tree-like cactus species. It can grow up to 12 meters and can live up to 150 years.
Wow, that's impressive.
But do you know what the difference is between saguaro and our cactus? The cake won't live so long because I'm gonna eat it up.
Now I see. Guys, let's check it out one more time before Sammy gets to it.
Shiver me chatters.
While you're playing, Sammy, I'll try our cake.
No! I'm already here! Thanks, Sue! I was waiting for this moment for the whole day!
And this one for me. Finally, let's taste it, guys. So tasty. I don't have the right words to describe this.
Good macaroon, Sue! You said exactly what I wanted to say! By the way, can I have another one?
Sure thing. But first, let's say goodbye to our viewers.
Guys, give us a thumbs up if you liked our cake today!
Don't forget to hit the bell button so you don't miss our next video.
And subscribe to our channel!